How to create Warpcast account. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how, you may follow up this step. So for that, you may open up Warpcast app and you should be finding this interface. In order to create an account and register, tap on the create account from the login page. After that, you'll be taken to the space where you need to enter up an email address to verify yourself. So in this section, go ahead and enter up your email address and tap on continue with the process. By continuing, you agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. So tap on continue. And after you do so, you will be getting a link in the email sent to your provided email address. To go ahead and open up the email app and open up the email. And then go ahead and verify your email. Tap on verify your email. In order to verify your email, you will be redirected to another page and you will be redirected to the Warpcast again. Now you can create an account on chain. If you have an invite code, you can use that and continue as well. Once that is done, your payment should be confirmed. And you may add a debit card or credit card in order to add a payment method. And once that is done, you should probably follow the on-screen prompts in order to go on with the further process, and you should be finding your account created on Warpcast. So that's it for now. You may follow this method in order to create your Warpcast account. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.